They're like, I pay my insurance. Why do I have to pay someone else to get my insurance to pay? Like, if you look at it from his shoes, you're like, yeah, man, that you shouldn't have to. But yeah, that tension you could have cut with a knife. That was super funny.
Dude, it was so good. I think after that conversation, the insured's mind was like, oh, Derek and Taylor actually work on my behalf. And so I think that was part of the flip. But dude, it's interesting because in that situation, going back to the adjuster, I'd worked with that adjuster before, right? And so when we got involved, the adjuster knew how we operate as a company, and we're not throwing anything in there that's not legitimate and reasonable, right? We're honest, we're upfront. If the insurance company owes for it based on the policy, the insurance company owes for it. Sorry, dudes, like you guys owe for this. If you can show me a reason that it's not legitimate or not reasonable, I'm all ears, let me know. But otherwise, freaking pay it, man. So I'm glad we got to be involved in that for you, brother. That was freaking awesome.